Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoycho Creation Designs. I am coming to you all today with It's All About the Buttons. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am a crafter, and I know y'all know that I'm a crafter, but I believe in making and creating things from everything. It doesn't always have to be beads. It can be anything. It could be a shoestring. It could be ribbon. It could be one piece of chain. I love making and creating things, y'all. That is just a part of me. That is just me in general. But I'm coming to y'all today, now since I got that out of the way, I'm coming to y'all today to show y'all these buttons that I got from Walmart. I was in Walmart and I ran across these buttons, okay? Button collectors. And they have these jars. I don't know what size this jar is. This is 6.5 ounces. I see it on the back now. It's 6.5 ounces, 184.3 grams is what it is, okay? But look at this, y'all. Now, when I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness. When I looked at the can, I looked to see, I was like, are they wooden buttons? Never saw anything like I've seen wooden buttons, but not like this. Okay, so of course y'all know I had to indulge, right? I had to get me one. Not only do they have it in wood, they have it in like an acrylic, kind of sort of like an acrylic with different colors and all that stuff. Y'all, let me tell you something. When you are a crafter, you will find ways to make and create things to stand out. See, being a crafter, y'all, being a crafter means that you will see. I'm the type of crafter that I just said it in the beginning already, and I'm not going to keep talking about it, but I love to create and make things with different things. I don't stick with one thing. Okay, it's not in me to stick with one thing. I can move around. And I feel like when you allow yourself to really be open to many different things, you will broaden your creativity. Okay, you will make it bigger because it will allow you to be able to make and create different things using different things. Okay, so when I saw these, let me open this up. When I saw these, I was like, wow, wooden. And the thing about this that makes this so awesome, first of all, it's wooden. You can paint these. You can paint these. You can put fabric on them. You can do many projects with just one little thing of beads. And then once you get it all together and put it all together, people will buy it, because the one thing about people, y'all, people love different things. They love different and unique things. And when you are creating it, when you are the one that's creating it, if they love your work and they love what you do, they will come back and they'll buy something else, because they know that they're going to get something that is one of a kind, something that is unique, something that is different, and something that they will not find in the store. That is the one thing that we offer as far as being crafters. You know, we offer something that most people will not find in a store. That's what makes this so unique and special. You know, because you get something that no one else will have, you know, and depending on who makes it, sometime a person may make, now this look like the UGG thing. You see, UGC, like the UGG, like the boot lug, UGG. But anyway, as I was saying, The sky is the limit, y'all. I'm telling you, as far as being a crafter, the sky, don't put no limits on being a crafter. Don't put no limits. Don't limit yourself. Don't stick with one thing. The reason why I can make and create so many different things the way I do is I stay open to everything. I do not limit myself to one specific thing. I learn everything. I want to learn everything. I want to learn how to do everything. All right, so with that being said, in my speech, these are wooden beads. I'm going to make something from these. It will not be a DIY, but I am showing you the name of the buttons that I got, the jar that you can go get if you want to purchase these. And you know what? When I went, they only had, I think they had 1 or 2 of these left. Because when people see a good thing, y'all, they buy it. When they see a good thing, they buy it. And like I said, with buttons, you can make and create earrings, bracelets, necklaces, chunky bracelets, anything. The sky is the limit, like I said. Now I can't get all this stuff back in here. But anyway, let me get to this one right here. Now this one has wooden buttons in it as well. But the thing that I liked about this one is that it has a lot of earth tones in here. It's a lot of earth tones in this one. And I will not be opening this one up, but I will definitely be making something from this. And once I make it, y'all, I am going to post it to let you all see what I made and I created. But I'm going to tell you the price. The price was $9 for this. All of this. Yes, $9. And this one was 5 something. This was 9 something, 5 something, or 9 or 5, something like that. But anyway, y'all, I want to thank those of you who are new to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Please like and share, if you like this video. And I just want to thank y'all for tuning in and watching this little segment right here. It's all about the buttons. Like I said, I'm going to do a video. I'm going to actually make an item. And I'm going to, once I make it, I'm going to come back and show y'all what I created. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.